welcome back to my channel Amazing You. Today I am going to review and try this thing. So this is something I've been dying to try this और ये अब मुझे finally मिल गया है. So this is Revlon Titanium Max Edition One Step Volumizer. Actually बहुत सारे one step and बहुत सारे hair straightening combs भी आते हैं, but इसके reviews बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे मैंने पढ़े हैं. Even in Amazon and all the sites, it says it has really good reviews, almost 4.5 stars. It gives the salon blowout in up to half the time. Visibly more shine, and also it says advanced ionic technology gives you the power to create a salon style finish, less frizz for shiny healthy looking hair. So it claims that there will be very less frizz. So my hair is already very frizzy hair, so let's see how does it work and how my hair will look after using this. So let's open it. New hairbrush. To use, आप इसको कहीं पे भी बैग में कैरी भी कर सकते हैं. So it comes with a bag. Now talking about this, yes. So you can see इसका जो वायर है ये काफी बड़ा है. एंड आप आराम से कहीं पे भी प्लग इन कर सकते हो. इट हैज़ 3 सेटिंग्स, कूल, लो एंड हाई. सो ये आप तीनों सेटिंग्स में से कोई सी भी सेटिंग में वट एवर सूट्स टू यू, यू कैन यूज दिस एज पर your choice. You get this brush in most of the stores, Ulta, Walmart, Amazon. I got this from Costco and I got it for $40. Costco में mostly deal मिल जाती है, तो I got it $10 off. So it was $50, but after $10 off it was $40. So I got this for $40, and in Amazon it is $55 with very good reviews. So and you will get this in India also. So ये हमने प्लग कर दिया है. And now my hairs is nice, clean. मैंने अभी हेयर वॉश किया है, तो they are clean and a little dried also. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम hairs को सेक्शन कर लेंगे. Also I'll be using heat spray. I don't know कि heat ज़्यादा रहेगी कम रहेगी, I don't know. So better to use heat spray on the hair so that कुछ भी damage नहीं होगा hairs को. पहले comb कर लेंगे hairs को अच्छे से. And now going with the low heat. So in one time it is looking quite good, smooth भी दिख रहे हैं थोड़े से अच्छे. So बाकी के हम लोग करके देखते हैं. We'll take out another layer. can see this hair and this hair, the difference. You know what? Let's try high speed. Let's check this with timer. So मैं timer लगाती हूँ. So with the high speed, it took 40 seconds around. I think around 35 to 40 seconds लग जाते हैं high speed पे. You can see nicely, this is nice and smooth. And now let's check for the low speed. So अब हम बाकी के hairs को पीछे कर देते हैं. साइड का हम देखेंगे कितने मिनट्स में होता है. हमने टाइमर स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ मैं. एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद द लो स्पीड. So it took 2 minutes for a big piece of hair. So this is overall look of my hair. Okay, so my views about this hair dryer. जब भी हम blow dry करते हैं तो हम we have to use brush and a dryer. So this is working as a combination of both and it is working really good. Like purely hair dryer जो हम brush से and then dryer से करते हैं वो हमें एक ही चीज़ में मिल गया. तो it is 2 in 1. Good about this brush is its bristles. इतने soft bristles हैं और इतनी स्मूथली हेयर में से निकल जाते हैं, बहुत सॉफ्ट है एंड यू विल फील रियली गुड। और इसका जो टिप है इसके ऊपर हीट नहीं आती है, तो यहाँ लाइक डायरेक्टली आपको हीट इससे ब्रिसल्स से हीट आपके स्कैल्प को टच नहीं करेगी, सो दैट्स रियली गुड थिंग। सो ओवरऑल लुक ऑफ द हेयर, वेरी नाइस, very soft and with the volume. So yes, so whatever it claims that it will volumize your hair. Yes, it is volumizing the hair, it is smoothing the hair, it is giving less frizz. Yes, it is a less frizz, but with a hot setting. With the cold setting it will not give any smoothing effect, only it will dry your hair, not a smoothing effect. High heat and low heat, it is giving the smoothing effect plus volumizing the hair. For me, yes to this, and not very heavy, so it is easy to hold, easy to handle and easy to work with, so it's really good. So do try this and let me know your reviews about it. बहुत ज़्यादा frizzy नहीं है hairs, बहुत smooth हो गए हैं, but that's my overall review about this product. I hope you like this reviews, and अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Amazing You. See you in another video. Till then, keep watching Amazing You. Bye bye, take care.